Hello, thank you all for being here today. My name is Trisha Thibodeau, and I'm a PhD student with Debbie Steinberg at the Virginia Institute of Marine Science. I'm excited to talk with you all about the wonderful world of pteropods, but first I have a joke. Why can't you hear a pteropod go to the bathroom? Because the P is silent! Come on, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You'll learn soon why this joke is highly relevant for my research. So I study pteropods along the western Antarctic Peninsula, and Rosie already gave a wonderful introduction to pteropods. They're beautiful open ocean snails that have essentially evolved afoot into wings, like you see here, that allow them to move through the water column. And there's two main types of pteropods. There's the thecozomes, or the shell pteropods, that are typically associated with ocean acidification. And then there's the non-shell pteropods called gymnosomes that actually eat the shelled pteropods. And I'm part of the Palmer Antarctica Long-Term Ecological Research Program, or PAL-LTER. So I have over 25 years of zooplankton data to utilize, as well as a suite of biogeochemical data that the PAL-LTER collects that I can look at. And so I've looked at pteropod abundances over 25 years along the peninsula and found that the shell pteropods are not changing in abundance over time. So there's no long-term directional change in their abundance, which is what you can see on the graph here, versus the gymnosomes have actually been increasing throughout the peninsula over time. Now this is where the pteropod P comes in. I've been conducting shipboard experiments over the last 2 years on the PAL-LTER cruises to understand how changes in sea surface temperature, food limitation, and ocean acidification may be influencing pteropod respiration and excretion through running a series of incubations like what you see here. And this has important implications because by understanding how their carbon and nutrient cycling may be influencing the biological pump along the WAP. And finally, I will be showing at a poster today this week looking at pteropod phenology, or life history, and whether it's shifting along the western Antarctic Peninsula. And I'm answering this question by analyzing over 10,000 pteropod shell lengths and then constructing size frequency histograms like what's shown here to then understand their growth rates and time of appearance. And I won't give everything away now, but essentially we're seeing for the first time in the Southern Ocean that pteropods are actively growing throughout the winter season, which is really exciting. So my research on Antarctic pteropods will help us get a better understanding of their prospects for the future along the western Antarctic Peninsula. And with that, I hope you'll check out my poster. Thank you very much.